Hey YouTube, welcome back. So today I'm going to unbox this. This is the two pieces of the solar wall lights outdoor, and it also has a motion sensor with a 360-degree angle. It has two type of color temperature, either cold or warm white. And this offer USB charging solar porch light, outdoor solar exterior light fixture, 4 modes, and it is rated at the IPX67 waterproof. So I had to give the shout out to Haiti from their marketing team for sending me this. So it will detect up to 26 feet. So there is the high light mode, or normal light mode, or dim light mode, or stay on mode all the time. So the cold white color is better suited to lighting your front door or patio or courtyard. And with the warm white, it creates a softer light with a more cozy feel. So there are 2 ways of charging. If you use a solar light, you don't need to worry about using any power from your electricity. And in case there's a cloudy day, you could use a USB to recharge it. And there's an on and off switch, low power indicator. So it has 64 high efficiency LED beads. And it has a monocrystalline solar panel, solar conversion rate equivalent to 22% at the 300 looms. So yeah, let me give you guys a 360 view of the box real quick. Let's go ahead and open this up. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description, and make sure you click on the discount or coupon box. So this is the wall mounting. You need to drill holes right there. And this is the second one. They also come with a mounting screw and then a wall mount anchor. And those are the Phillips screws. And it comes with this USB Type A to micro USB charging cable. And here's the user manual. Go ahead and check it out. So it's good that this is made of polycarbonate material instead of glass. There's your motion sensor right there. There's your on and off switch right here. So it shows low. So I need to charge it. Oh wait, let me check. It's a different mode. Oh, so those are the 4 mode. 1, 2, 3 different mode. Either high, medium, low, or always stays on. Wow, so this is the mode 1. Mode 2, so cold, and then this is the warm. Also bright. And I believe this is the low, or low and high, and then you can select the color. And I believe this is the always on. Let me look at the, wow, this one's the brightest. So this is the high, medium, alright, so here's the mode 1. It says from strong light to no light. And then mode 2, it is the medium light to no light. Mode 3 is from medium light to dim light. And then mode 4 is the stay on all the time. So if you press the off button more than 2 seconds, then the light will turn off. And here's the mounting instruction. And on the back right here, here's the micro USB charging port right there. So it's better to charge it with the USB cable first, so you know the battery is fully charged, and then you can mounting on your wall or wood fence or vinyl fence or whatever. Okay, so I should probably show you guys the clip on how to install this. Should be easy anyway. So alright, I'm just putting the light and the restroom just to test. So when I open the door, it's gonna light up. Pretty cool, eh? And then that is the white color or the cool. So this is the super bright. You can select white or the warm. This is the mode 2. It's gonna do the medium to no light or warm to no light. And this is the medium to dim or warm to dim. And this is the always on with a cool temperature, and this is always on with a warm temperature. All right, and this is what it look like if you mount it on the wall or wood fence, or at your balcony. Anyway, hopefully you guys give a thumbs up, like the video. Please be sure to hit that subscribe button, turn on the bell for notification, or drop any comments on below. And be sure to check out the link that's going to show in the description. And click on the discount code. Click on the discount box before you check out. Thank you for watching. See you guys in the next video. Like always, peace.